In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs V3 to produce expressive audio speech. If you're interested in creating dynamic and emotionally engaging content, understanding how to manipulate tone and expression can truly enhance your audio projects. Before we dive in, I'd like to mention that if you're considering signing up for ElevenLabs, feel free to use our affiliate link to support our channel and have seamless access to this incredible tool. As you delve into creating audio with ElevenLabs V3, you'll notice a fantastic new feature, the ability to add tags to your audio. These tags are a powerful tool, providing you with precise control over the tone and expression of the audio you wish to produce. Whether you're aiming for a subtle inflection or a dramatic shift, tagging can significantly influence the final product. So, what exactly are these tags? Essentially, they represent emotional expressions. Think of them as instructions for how each passage should be delivered. For instance, you can instruct the AI to incorporate laughter, whispers, sighs, or even more nuanced expressions like sarcasm, curiosity, or excitement. Additionally, if you're looking to add sound effects like gunshots, applause, or gasps, these elements can be seamlessly integrated into your audio project. Each of these is encapsulated within opening and closing square brackets to signify they are tags. The process is relatively straightforward. You can input mini prompts directly within the text, indicating the desired tone or expression for specific segments. This allows you to customize the delivery of your text dynamically, resulting in an audio output that feels both natural and engaging. It opens up a breadth of creative possibilities, empowering you to craft narratives that resonate more strongly with your audience. To get started, give tagging a try in your next project. Experiment with different emotional expressions to find the right mix that resonates with your content's theme and message. Alternatively, if you want more detailed guidance, you can refer to the instructions provided by ElevenLabs for best practices. These resources can offer insightful tips to help you precisely control the nuances of expression in your generated audio, ensuring your content stands out. And that's all there is to it. With ElevenLabs V3, you now have this innovative tool at your fingertips to elevate your audio productions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with different expressions and sound effects. It might take a bit of experimentation to get the feel just right, but the results will undoubtedly be worth it. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial aids you in producing audio that captures the attention and imagination of your audience.